new voxelab printer. First print, printing that, whatever it is, just using the free PLA that came with it. Well, not free because you pay for it, eh? So that, but anyway, print's looking okay. Nothing going on there, but there's a drummer in the back every so often. Let's hope he comes on. Obviously videoing now, it's not going to happen, but it gets quite annoying. I don't know what it is yet. Might have to pull the back off the thing. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, so a drummer on the voxelab. So we'll see what it goes like anyway. In the meantime, here's the old trusty cocoon. Cocoon Create. Just putting away a storm there, no problem at all. Just on the PLA Plus. All going good there. Yeah, this thing, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. This is what it's printed. It's actually a bearing. Not too bad first print. Can't really see any defects in it. Yeah, we'll call that done.